Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well, and happy holidays to everyone. So this video, I wish these guys would have found me a little bit earlier in the season, like, you know, summer into fall, because it is like 10 degrees outside right now, so I have to do this video inside. Also, if I cough or anything like that, excuse me. I'm still recovering from the flu, but I wanted to make this video because I think this would make a neat Christmas gift for a lot of you out there who ride. And this is from a company called Endogear, and they make some really nice, from apparel, gloves, like accessories, things like that. And I'll put something up on the side so you can see what I'm talking about their site. But they actually found me on Instagram, and he sent me over a hoodie, and I thought it would be a good idea to showcase on the channel, especially, obviously, you guys know I have a bike, I have my race car, things like that. But, you know, safety is always the #1 thing especially when you're riding, because, you know, it's not like you have any airbags or seat belts on a bike, you know what I'm saying? So falling down, you know what I mean, even though you don't want to, sometimes it might not be your fault, you know what I'm saying, where somebody can cut you off or something like that, and you need some type of protection out there. So obviously, as I said, I put something up on the side, and you can go on their website, check it out. They have stuff for men, women, accessories, and they even have, you know, their contact information and stuff like that. It's a company based out of New York, and obviously, as I said, their name is Endogear. Now, what I'm showing you right here are their hoodies. I got the one with red with the gray accents, which is really nice. And guys, I will show you soon. I'm gonna actually try it on for you so you guys can see how it looks. But it's a really nice hoodie, and they come in an assortment of different colors. You got gray, red, black, white, charcoal, I think. And this is a 2XL hoodie, but let's dive into it real quick, what makes it freaking fantastic. So first things first is, once they contacted me and I checked out their website, and I started looking to see like all the high quality stuff that they had on their website, I was like, ooh, this stuff is rather intriguing, because, you know, I mean, I've searched up stuff before, but then, you know what I mean, you go on Amazon and they have a lot of things. Like, for instance, this is like my jacket here for my bike. Okay, just wanted to bring it inside and show you. But with this jacket, you know what I mean, yeah, wind can't penetrate this, you know what I mean, but when you really feel it, you know, you know, it's not that, you know, there's not a lot separating you from the road per se. Yeah, you know, I mean, you have the padding and stuff like that, like the back pad and the shoulder pads and things like that. Also, I also took out the warm inner lining too, but you know what I mean, still, it's something at least, because you do see a lot of people out there riding without any type of protection. This, on the other hand, which I'm going to show you, is built with genuine DuPont Kevlar. Okay, so the outer shell, that's constructed with a mix of 65% ring spun cotton and 35% polyester fleece for ultimate durability and comfort. Okay, so now the first inner lining, okay, it's lined with 100% genuine 290 GSM DuPont and Kevlar fabric for superior protection. So guys, Kevlar fabric, it's a durable, high strength aramid material, and it's known for its exceptional puncture and abrasion resistance, and that's what you want. This, obviously, it's not made with freaking Kevlar, you know what I'm saying? You could get a freaking jacket, a decent jacket, if you know, for basic protection anywhere. This probably cost me like $80 or something like that on Amazon, 90 bucks, something like that. And not gonna lie, I took my time when I got it, even, you know, though I was sick. I got it, he sent it about a week ago, but I opened it up, checked it out, tried it on, and it has some weight on it. Like, you could literally feel, like, when you put your hand into this, you could feel the thickness of it, and it's a lot of material separating you and the road. I'm telling you, you get your hands on one of these things, you'll see for yourself. And the cool thing about 290 GSM Kevlar fabric is that, you know, it's ideal for making protective wear. That's why people use it for, like, you know, making ballistic vests, reinforced workwear, gloves, motorcycle jackets, things like that, fleeces. And I've never heard of a Kevlar fleece, okay? And my brother actually had a fleece that he said that, you know, he wanted to get me one where it had padding, and then I compared this one to that, and this was a lot better made, especially, you know what I mean? So just wanted to put that out there. So now, before I digress, the second inner lining, or the second inner shell, it's designed with 100% polyester mesh for breathability and comfort. And obviously that's what you see in here. That's that polyester mesh, okay? And I wish I could frickin' take that piece out, but it obviously doesn't come out like that. It's all stitched in. Obviously there's a zipper right here, so you could put your armor, like spine piece, in here. There are pockets in here, like, say for instance, look at this. Just wanted to show you this. So this, you have Velcro right here, so you could separate it like so. You heard the Velcro snapping. So you could put armor pieces in there. So you could put your armor pieces for your shoulder pads, spine, elbow, and everything like that as well. So on their site, they even have the pieces for sale that you could insert in there, or if you have extras, you could do that. You know what I'm saying? It also comes with the hoodie, okay? And the hoodie is detachable, and it has a huge YKK zipper, okay? So you know this thing is not gonna get freaking stuck or broken. It's a huge zipper, okay? Which is pretty cool. And obviously, as I said, guys, armor pockets, so located at the shoulders, elbows, and back, and they're ready for, obviously, the addition of protective gear. So the shoulders and elbows and the back are actually reinforced. See right here how the stitches are? Look at that. That's the elbow right here. So it's actually reinforced, and with protective pieces for, like, you know, like pads for your elbow and stuff, it's even more reinforced. Guys, this is a very thick hoodie. As I said, I wished when I was still riding I would say about a month ago, I stopped riding just because it's so blustery cold right now. This would have been freaking fantastic. Like, you could tell, because I will tell you this, not all the time, like, say for instance, you're going to the gym and stuff like that, a lot of people don't like wearing their jackets all the time, and then they'll just wear like a regular hoodie. I've done it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably one of the more safer riders. I would wear my jacket all the time, even in, like, when it's sweltering, just because you never know what can happen. But I will tell you that sometimes, you know, you're tempted to just be like, I'm gonna leave the house in my sweatshirt, you know, and you pray that nothing happens. Now, guess what? Now you have a nice hooded sweatshirt right here. It's freaking, and it's nice. It's thick. It's super, like, well, you'll see when I put it on just now, it like hugs you. So there's not a lot of movement when you wear it. And I think it's pretty, I want to say it's true to size, but I don't know. It might, this is a 2XL. There is a possibility. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I could say it's true to size. You know what I mean? Because it's snug on me, a 2XL. You know what I mean? It's definitely snug. So, what's it? Oh yeah, this is a double XL. This is a double XL. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I would probably say it's true to size. Thinking about how this fits compared to this, yeah. But this has a lot of material on it. That's why it feels like it's hugging you a lot tighter. Okay? All right, guys. Moment of truth. This is it right here. It's like super, it's nice. it feels like you have a lot of material on. It's actually pretty nice. Like, and I know for a fact, you fall in something like this, you could feel like the inside of it like holding you a lot more. So I know it's not like a loose sweatshirt where if you fall, you're gonna have like where it's gonna rip away and give you like serious road rash. This is actually, it feels like a very, very, very wholesome, I don't know how to describe it. It feels very, very wholesome, like a very, very wholesome sweatshirt. And it fits. It's really nice. Yeah, I would say it's about true to size. And this is, I could tell, riding with this, you're not gonna have any type of problem with wind whatsoever. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Look pretty good. Looks good. Looks good on me. But anyway, guys, as I said, thanks for bearing with me. As I said, I'm still recovering from the flu, but I wanted to get this done because this is actually a really quality product. And Endogear, once again, thank you guys for reaching out to me. I wish I could do a little demo on my bike, but it's like 10 degrees outside, and if I go out there doing that, I'll probably end up in the hospital with pneumonia. But again, guys, once again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I'll have all their information in the description and how you can purchase this, and obviously, you know, check out their site and whatnot. And again, guys, thanks for sticking around. But again, this is a very, very nice piece. It holds your body really, really well as long as you get the correct size. This is a 2XL. I'm 6 foot. I'm 260, and it's a way different feel from like how like my jacket is. Like the jacket, this sweatshirt alone feels like it has way more weight than this jacket, to tell you the truth. But it literally feels like you're still wearing a hoodie. It literally feels like you're still wearing like a sweatshirt. And this is perfect. So like, say for instance, you ride to the gym or whatever, you could do your whole workout in this and just leave. Where I went to the gym with my jacket before. You can't do a workout in a jacket. You gotta take your jacket off, take your helmet off, obviously. Bring it with you in the gym, and you're walking around with this shit. So this is actually really, really nice. So this is a really, really nice addition to whatever arsenal you might have. Again, guys, all of this stuff will be listed in the description. Endogear, thank you so much for sending this to me, because I'm definitely going to be doing some more of your catalog on my channel. So again, thank you. Guys, again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And I guess I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.